To set require sign in as when PC wake up from sleep, in Windows 10 Home, open settings, click or tap start menu icon, and then click or tap settings, select update and security, and then tap Windows security, select account protection, and then tap dynamic lock settings. Scroll down screen and then on required sign in, tap drop down menu and then select when PC wake up from sleep. If you have been away when short Windows require you to sign in again, select when PC wake up from sleep. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.